All right, here we are, guys, at the San Diego International Airport in San Diego, California. I got here quite a bit early, so I got a good couple hours to kill. It just helps relieve the stress for me so I don't have to rush around. Going to be flying out of here into Seattle, Washington. Lay over there for about 45 minutes, and then we'll be flying into Anchorage, Alaska, showing up about 10 p.m. The company is putting me up in a hotel overnight, and then I'll be going into the Anchorage airport in the morning, the next morning, and flying to King Salmon, Alaska, where I'll drive. They'll get picked up by the company, driven into Naknek, Alaska, where I'll be working. So we're here at the airport, just kind of killing time. Again, I like to get here early, so I'm not rushing around. Okay, well, my flight out of Seattle got canceled going to Anchorage, so they set me up with a new flight and a hotel room. I was going to overnight in Anchorage anyway before I flew out to where we work, so minor hiccup, a little bit of an adventure. I guess Alaska Airlines has canceled like 50% of their flights due to a shortage of workers, so a lot of upset people. I'm just rolling with it. No need to get upset. We'll get there eventually. Anyway, I got to keep an eye out for my shuttle, so we'll check in at the hotel. All right, well, we made it to the hotel. I'm pretty whooped. It's been a long day of travel. A decent room here at the Comfort Inn. Nice, huge bed. No microwave. Is there a fridge in here? Yeah, nice dorm fridge. Just staying tonight. I actually got to fly out early in the morning. I've got to get on the shuttle bus here about 5:10 in the a.m. and it is already 10:30 p.m. so I'm going to try to get some shut-eye here. I'm kind of bummed because the original itinerary was to go all the way to Anchorage and then stay at a hotel in Anchorage, and my flight out of Anchorage wasn't until like 1 p.m. so I would have had the morning to walk around Anchorage and take some video and show you guys around, but oh well, it is what it is. I guess ask Alaska Airlines. So I'm gonna order me up some food here, take a shower, and call it a night. All right, well, I had a very short night at the hotel last night. I ended up getting up at 3 and getting down to the airport at 4 a.m. So just a few hours sleep. I wanted to get here early to make sure I get my flight. There's still some cancellations going on, but it's looking good so far. So I am just gonna hang loose. We'll be flying from Seattle, Washington into Anchorage, Alaska. All right, we made it into Anchorage, Alaska. It was a pretty smooth flight. I have a good few hour layover, so I am going to try to put together a little video for you guys and give you an update on what's to come. All right, we'll give you a little insight about what this job is. Some of you have seen the videos from the last few times I've done this job. I will be working on a boat, although when we first show up, the boat is out of the water. So we have to spend some time getting the boat prepped to get in the water. And it is a salmon tender boat, meaning we tend to the fishermen, the salmon fishermen. We buy the fish from those fishermen, and then we deliver them to the processing plant. It's a pretty interesting operation, and it's quite an experience living on a boat for a little bit. So how this goes down is once I fly out of here into King Salmon, I pretty much don't have cell service, and we don't have cell service at the plant where we stay while we're getting the boat prepped. We only have service when we're actually anchored in river. And the typical big cell service providers, Verizon and that, don't work there. So I have to get a special data plan, which allows me to be able to upload videos while I'm working on the boat. So I will be doing that, but there's going to be a good gap of a couple weeks before we're in river and I will have that cell service. So plan on definitely documenting the experience. I would really like to show more of the actual living on the boat part. I've shown a lot of the job detail in the past, so I'll be showing both of those, but I really want to try to focus more on showing what it's like to live on this small boat. So yeah, again, it's going to be a couple weeks, but I will be getting some videos up. I appreciate you guys being a part of this adventure, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care. Peace.